questions as well. Okay. The next in our particular lecture is value engineering. What is value engineering? Is increasing a value by lowering a cost and maintaining a functionality. A meaning of value engineering. So in this photo, you can see three words. What is the first word is? Increasing a value. What do you mean by increasing a value? The increasing a value means increasing profit, increasing margin, and it should be affordable. Again, I'll say, increasing a value means increasing a profit, increasing a margin, but it should be affordable. This is what a meaning of increasing value. This I will discuss in detail. The next is lowering a cost. What does it mean, lowering a cost? It means decreasing the total project value. It means decreasing a total project value. Means like what? Like if there is a 100 million job, so I need to decrease it to 90 billion. The next word here, it is maintaining functionality. What does it mean, maintaining functionality? It means it has to, what you are doing, like what the increasing a value, lowering a cost, it should have a same functionality. Okay, it means you should have a same output. The same output should be achieved by using an alternate method. Okay, for an example, like I need a AC. Okay, so the AC, what kind of AC you are using it? You are using a cheaper one or you are using an expensive one? My agenda is to cool my room. So that agenda has to be achieved. So what I am saying, maintaining the same functionality is I should get same output by using an alternate method. I'll give you one more example, like on top of the tux, we are using an insulation. So let's say the specification is saying like you need to, put 50 mm thick rubber insulation. So what I'll do? I'll reduce an insulation thickness. Instead of 50 mm, I'll reduce to 25 mm. If I'm getting a same output, what it is desired. Okay. So if from 50 mm rubber insulation also I am getting same output, and from 25 mm rubber insulation also I will get same output, and the price is almost half, so better I will use 25 mm thickness. I'll give you one more example. Let's say for example there is a requirement for the water cooled chiller for the projects. What I can do, I can propose an air cooled chiller also, right? What is the difference between water cooled and air cooled is? Water cooled chillers will come with all your cooling towers. There will be condensate water treatment system. There will be condenser pump also. So I can avoid all this with water cooled air cooled chiller. So this is what the benefit I'll get it. What else benefit I'll get? Like I'll give you one more example. Let's say for example, from this you will understand in the better way. Like if there is a requirement for the copper pipes. Pipes, it's a pipe. Metal, it's a metal. So if I'll go with the copper pipes or I'll go with the steel pipes, if I'm getting same output, that means I'll use steel pipes, right? Because copper, it is much more cheap, much more expensive than steel. So if I'm getting same output, I can use steel pipes. One more example I'll give you. Like there is so many expensive brands it is there in the AC. Like if you go out in the market, you will see like Carrier, you will see Daikin, you will see Mitsubishi. This is very expensive brands. Instead of this, you can use some cheaper brands also. Like in UAE, there is so many cheap brands, so many local brands it is available. The local brands like SKM, Croston. These are the local brands. They produce locally. The AC, it's a AC. Either you use carrier or you use SKM, but there will be a difference in price almost 100%. Like for the carrier AC, if you are buying for the 1000 dirhams, the SKM you will get it for 500 dirhams. There will be difference for 50%. Petra also, there is one more cheaper brand which is coming from Jordan. That also very cheap brand. So what I meant is, if I'm maintaining same functionality, then why we should not use an alternate? Okay. So this is what the meaning of value engineering. So I'll explain one by one about these 3 words of value engineering. The first one was increasing a value. What do we mean by increasing a value? There is a 3 things which is coming under increasing a value: profit, margins, and affordable. Profit and margin, it comes under one cloud, and affordables, it comes under one cloud. Okay. Profit and margin, it's a perspective of client. What does it mean is, client, he wants more profit and he wants more margin. If he is he is constructing a building, and if he is selling a flat, if he spent like 100,000 dirhams as a construction cost of that particular flat, he needs some extra profit. On top of that, he need a margin also. So he's not going to sell like the same price what he spent in the construction. If he spent 100,000 dirhams as a construction cost, for sure he'll sell it for 150,000 dirhams or more than this also. So this is what a client's perspective for the product. But what is a customer's perspective? Like, if as a customer you are buying a flat from the client, you are buying one apartment from the client, so you look for the affordable. Like, if you will make a search for so many clients, and you will see which one is affordable, I'll go with that. Right or wrong? This is what a normal people will do. If I am looking for the 1-bedroom apartments. If a client number 1, he is giving for 150,000 dirhams, and client number 2, the same 1-bedroom flat, same location, if he is giving for 125,000 dirhams, then why I'll choose for 150,000? I'll go with 125,000 dirhams only. So how this cost will be reduced? Same flat, same area, everything is same location, but why there is a 2 different values? Because of their perspective. Profit and margin, it's a client's perspective. Affordable, it's a customer's perspective. Okay, so based on their perspective, this is called increasing a value. Okay, the next was lowering the cost. If you want to increase a value, you need to lower the cost. How you will lower is, that is a backbone of your value engineering. Okay. If we talk about an HVAC works, how we will lowering the cost? So this we will learn in detail. The first one in lowering the cost is design change based value engineering. Design change based value engineering. What does it mean is, like, to change the design to get a same output. Okay. What we see in our previous project, what we have priced. In that one, we have seen a water cooled chillers. Right? We have seen a water cooled chillers. What I am saying is, if this water cooled chiller can be replaced with air cooled chiller, keeping a same tonnage, then what I'll save? I'll remove complete cooling tower systems. Okay. So this cooling towers, how much it was costing in my cost, that can be deleted. and I'll save this cost, and I'll propose a air cooled chiller, right?